Will AI replace software engineers like you and me? Let's tackle this problem today. There's a lots of fear out in the market about AI taking over the jobs, and software development job, my friend, is no exception. But fear not, because AI is more likely to be your teammate than your replacement. Hello, I am Vikas. I am a skilled backend engineer with 10 years of experience. I'm also a co-founder at small but highly successful software consultation company headquartered in the North Indian city of Noida. I have 10 years of experience in coding, and I have seen code evolve from basic text editor to AI-powered text editors like GitHub Copilot. Many of you must have written code in basic text editors line by line. Those were the dark ages, my friend. Coding has come a long way since then. Today, we have advanced code editors with fancy features like autocomplete, syntax highlighting, and advanced debugging tools. But evolution doesn't stop there. Code snippet generators are popping up here and there, providing pre-written block of code for common tasks. This saves us tons of our time and makes sure that we are using a well-tested solution. When GitHub launched Copilot 2.5 years ago, Copilot was just not another code editor. It was able to generate code based on the context. It was even capable of solving the complex problems. Well, even at that time, my friend, many speculated that GitHub Copilot will replace the software engineers. But it has not taken any of our jobs. Instead, it has made us more efficient in our jobs. Only last month, Devin was launched. Devin claims to be the world's first AI software engineer. Well, Devin might churn out great results in the control environment, but the real world of programming is a tangled mess of legacy system, code bases, an unexpected problem that pops up from nowhere. These situations require human intelligence to solve the problems, which AI is still developing. Think of it this way: AI can follow a recipe perfectly, but can AI improvise the recipe when it runs out of an ingredient? Not quite there yet, right? Another challenge with AI is its adoption is a slow train to Delhi. Even if AI tools were perfect, which they are not, widespread adoption would take time. Large companies with legacy systems are still hesitant to adopt AI. We must understand that replacing existing systems with AI-based systems is a complex process, and it would take time and money. And let us not forget the security concerns. State-regulated industries like healthcare, education, and finance might not be comfortable trusting AI-based systems for their critical tasks just yet. Hey, over 83% of our viewers have not yet subscribed to our channel. Chances are you too have missed to hit that subscribe button. Here at Inzint, we are not afraid of AI. We look at it as an opportunity, and that is why we provide continuous training in latest technologies to all our employees. And guess what the latest training topic was? You guessed it right. It was AI and machine learning. Our team is constantly training and upskilling to stay ahead of the curve. You must have enjoyed the video if you are still here. If you did, you will also love the video in which the trainee developers at Inzint share their unique perspective on future of AI and coding. Please find the link in the description below and also on the right hand side corner of the player. Thanks for watching. Do let us know what you think about AI and future of coding in the comments below.